So this is Dr. Michael Ryan answering the question, when are brown spots on the legs related to a vein condition? Well, brown spots on the legs have a couple different sources. Age spots are small little oval patches that are present in blotches all over the lower part of the leg from the knee down. Those are best treated by seeing a skin specialist. Brown spots that are more uh, confluent, meaning it's covering a larger area of the skin and forming almost uh, a complete surface of brown, is called Schamberg's disease. That doesn't really have very good treatment, but that's not related to veins. That's something you could see a skin specialist about. We see those patients all the time because there's often a question about whether it's related to their veins. The final area of brown discoloration is related to vein reflux. Vein reflux results in high pressure, and it has the highest pressure in the vein circulation is right at the ankle, on the inner ankle, right above the ankle bone, and that is where we typically see a brown stain from a vein condition. The situation with a brown stain from a vein condition is that the vein is under pressure. The highest pressure is at the ankle, and with the pressure being so high there, blood leaks out of the vein. There's a lot of inflammation in that area, and it triggers a inflammation reaction in which the blood is leaking out into the skin, and the blood breaks down, and the hemoglobin from the blood cells, which is brown, gets deposited in the skin. So that becomes a permanent problem once it's started. My experience is that people can experience some lightening of that skin stain once we get a treatment started, but it usually doesn't completely go away. So that's something you want to get on top of when you see it. And I have seen a couple patients where I've identified a red patch on their ankle, and I said, this is headed towards the stage of becoming a skin stain. And they have delayed, and they've waited a year or two, and they've come back, and now they have a big brown patch, and now it's permanent. The other thing that happens when you have that brown patch is that is exactly where people with a vein condition develop a skin sore. A skin sore can develop because of the excess inflammation from all the pressure that's present in the circulation. And the skin always breaks down right at that brown patch. That's not the most common outcome for a vein condition, but that's when you see someone with a brown area around their ankle, I can tell them if you leave that long enough, you'll get a skin sore there. And a skin sore from a vein condition has a peculiar quality, which is it doesn't heal on its own. It will not heal. It's just an open sore. So that's something you want to get taken care of before it becomes a problem. So Dr. Michael Ryan talking about what causes a brown discoloration with a vein condition.